50 action verbs in English. Walk. I walk to school every morning. Run. He runs to the finish line during the race. Jump. The man jumps with joy when he hears the news. Pull. The child pulls the wagon with all his toys inside. Push. John used all his strength to push the heavy box across the room. Pick. He picks fresh vegetables from the garden every morning. Dance. She loves to dance because it allows her to express herself freely. Play. The children love to play in the park after school. Talk. Female counselor talks with teenager. Listen. She listens to music to relax after work. Sing. They sing together in music class. Laugh. They talk about their day and laugh together. Cry. He couldn't find his lost pet and he started to cry. Smile. She greeted her friend with a smile. Brush. She brushes her teeth every morning and night to keep them clean. Read. She reads a book before going to sleep every night. Study. The girl studies diligently for her history exam. Teach. Our teacher teaches us new vocabulary words every week. Learn. She learns new vocabulary every day by reading English books. Help. She helps an old woman by pushing her wheelchair across the street. Think. She thinks deeply about the meaning of life. Write. He writes a story for his school project. Draw. She draws a picture of a flower blooming in the garden. Paint. He paints a colorful abstract artwork on a canvas. Cut. She cuts the fruits into small pieces for the fruit salad. Build. He likes to build houses with his blocks. Come. She comes home early to spend time with her dog. Go. He must go to school to learn. Clean. She uses the vacuum cleaner to clean her room. Climb. The rock climber loves to climb towering walls. Hike. They hike in the mountains on weekends. Start. The man is ready to start his run in the race. Finish. I'll run as fast as I can to finish the race first. Stop. He warned to stop by showing his hands. Fly. The birds fly in the sky. Drive. I drive to work every day. Ride. He rides his bike to school. Park. She parks her car in the garage. Plant. The farmer plants seeds in the ground. Grow. Seeds grow into plants with sunlight. Harvest. We harvest the apples from our trees. Explore. She plans to explore the city during her vacation. Solve. He works hard to solve the puzzle. Shop. She shops for groceries at the market. Sleep. I need to sleep for 8 hours.